Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba ukuthi uyaphilayo. Mina ngizocela kuwe laphana-ke ukuthi-ke uma ngabe usamusha kuleli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze okulungile-ke laphana-ke ucindezele ibhathini subscribe nje, akubizi imali, kumahhala nje, akhiphe ngisho nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi ukuthi-ke uyithole zonke-ke iy'ndaba esikulethela zona-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke udaba ukulethele lona namhlanje. Lithi-ke sekuvele-ke umfundisi-ke laphana-ke umthandazi-ke eveza-ke ukuthi-ke utheni unkulunkulu ngenkathi emvakashele. Washo ukuthi-ke uthi unkulunkulu yena ungakwisayidi le-MK, kodwa-ke angifuni ukuthi wezwa ngami-ke. Ngidlalela-ke ikliphu-ke uyizwele wena ngawakho amadle. Bengizocela kuwe-ke mina-ke masuyizwile-ke le kliphu-ke ucomment, ungene ema-comment section ufike ubhale ucabangani-ke ngalo-ke lolu daba lolu-ke. Masugcina nebhathini subscribe nje, akubizi imali, kumahhala nje, ukhiphe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke. Nawe le kliphu-ke awuyithokozele.
Prophet Papama here from South Africa, born and bred. You saw that video. That was a video that I shared about the former president of South Africa, Jacob Gezeihlekisa Zuma. That was January of 2023. I shared that dream. Only maybe 11 months later, on the 16th of December, Utata Jacob Zuma announced that he's joining umkhonto wesizwe. In January of 2023, when I shared that prophecy, there was no sign. It was just silent in terms of Utata Jacob Zuma. He was still with the ANC at that time, I believe. There was no sign that he was going to be with the MK party, which now he's getting a huge following. My message with this video is clear. My message with this video is straightforward. I prophesied with a dream that Utata Jacob Zuma is going to get overwhelming support. That's what I saw in a vision, and I shared it. You can go and watch my old videos. You'll find that one. And about a few days ago, if not a week back, God spoke to me saying that he is with this new party. He is with this new party because this new party is a chosen vehicle to change the hopelessness that has taken over this beautiful land of South Africa in the hands of the government that's supposed to be taking care of its people, but doesn't seem to be doing so. Let me leave it here. I am a prophet from South Africa. Umthandazi. Sisiphiwo sami. Amen.